How to do green screen on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Vaishnav, and today I'll guide you on how you can do or how you can add green screen on CapCut. Now how you can use the green screen on CapCut, right? First thing, you wanna download the green screen frame that you have the green screen on your phone, right? You wanna have it on your device. Now second thing, you wanna open up CapCut. Now once you open up CapCut, you wanna load up a project. Now in my case, I'll just load up this particular project right here, and you can see I have a video right here. Now what you want to do is at the bottom you can see various options, right? You want to simply tap on overlay option and then tap on add overlay option, and from your gallery you want to choose the green screen that you have. I'll just choose one real quick here. Now once you choose it, what you want to do is, now you can resize it from here if you want. I want to do so, and now here you can see various options at the bottom. You want to swipe to the right and you want to tap on cutout option, and from cutout option you can see the remove background option, customize cutout, and chroma key, right? You want to simply select the option chroma key. Once you select the chroma key, you want to select the green color from the color picker menu here, and then you want to tap on intensity, and you want to increase the intensity unless the green screen is completely removed. And you can see the frame is popping up and the green screen is removed. So this way you can use the green screen, or this way you can do green screen on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.